to the Hebron Pember Nature Preserve. We are some of the scouts from Troop 44, and we're here to tell you about what you can find on the trail.
But first, let's go over some trail etiquette.
Make sure you leave nothing behind but your footprints. As we say in Scouts, leave no trace.
That means don't leave behind any outside garbage or take anything natural from the trail.
Happen to see any garbage, pick it up. And next, please make sure you stay on the established trails.
We know it's tempting to explore, but please do not disturb the preserve.
Finally, don't interact with any of the wildlife.
Take as many pictures as you like, but don't disturb the animals. Now that trail etiquette is done, let's talk about some of the interesting things you can find on the trail.
Like these bat houses, there are over 44 species of bats in North America. None of those are in New York.
These houses act very similarly to bird houses, but for bats, and you will find them scattered all over the trails.
The dam out there belongs to the largest North America rodent, which can weigh in between 35 to 50 pounds.
They are beavers. They build dams just like that one out of sticks and brush in order to protect themselves from predators.
If you come out to the trails, you can see the dam, and you may just catch a beaver in action.
Also, you can't see the dam because it's behind a bush.
Now that birds have started migrating back to the preserve, if you come here to the observation deck, you may spot one of the many species of migratory birds that come to the preserve.
These birds travel across the country in search of the perfect living conditions. You'll find them all over the trail this time of year.
Okay.
Hello there, my name's Colin O'Brien. This is my Eagle project. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has inspired you to come down to the Pember Nature Preserve. And it may surprise you to know that we've only covered a few of the trails. There's still so much to see, from the trees to animals to birds. All sorts of stuff are here on the trail. So, if you have any free time, a free weekend, want to go out with the family, come on down. Check out the Pember Nature Preserve. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.